Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and reply to a Craigslist ad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So once you have opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here we can get started browsing all the sections we can use for finding items, and the first thing you want to do to be able to reply to ads is go ahead and log into your account. So in the upper right corner, if you have not already, go ahead and sign up for a new account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in. Normally it's going to take you to this main page right here. You can go ahead and access your account settings, and once you go back to the home page, now we can get started browsing all the items we can find. So let's go ahead and find the ad we want to reply to. Let's go ahead and open up one of the categories right here. It's going to show us everything we can find, and let's say we want to open up this one and reply to it. As you can see, once you open up the category right here, it's going to go ahead and give you this option to take a look at all the info, and in the upper left corner you have the reply option. So by clicking reply, this is going to enable you to choose if you want to send them an email or chat with them on Craigslist. If you open up this, you can type out your message and send them a message asking them what the condition is and so on, whatever you want to know, and you can get started chatting with them right here using your account or sending them an email, whatever you prefer, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.